When you click the link in the description, you'll land on the Higgsfield Supercomputer page. This is a cloud-native AI agent, basically a full AI creative team in one chat. You sign in with your Google account, and you're ready to go. Higsfield just rolled out a massive upgrade. If you're still using other AI tools or doing things the old-fashioned way, you're missing out on the absolute latest features. They have made significant changes that completely streamline ad creation, video production, and all types of content creation. A big shout out and thank you to Higsfield for sponsoring this video and bringing this update directly to you. When you log in, this is your command center. You'll see it greets you right in the middle, and on the left sidebar, you have your entire workflow: skills, connectors, files, and memory. Quick heads up before we start. I actually recorded this tutorial right before a massive new update dropped. The Higgsfield Supercomputer is now officially powered by Google Gemini and features a built-in orchestrator. This means it automatically routes tasks to different AI models behind the scenes, making it significantly faster and cheaper to run, while keeping the exact same quality. So while the interface in my recording might look slightly older, when you click the link below to start using it today, you will be getting immediate access to this brand new, upgraded version. Files. This is where your files are stored, like the videos and images. Memory. Most AI suffers from goldfish memory, forgetting who you are every time you start a new chat. Higgsfield's memory system actually builds a visual mind map of your brand. This is the never repeat yourself rule. You can add to its memory so it learns, and you never have to type those instructions again. Skills. It turned this from a generic AI into your personal custom production assistant. You can browse the community tab or build your own. Imagine using the /social-content skill. You just type your product name and the skill automatically generates your YouTube script, your TikTok videos, and your Instagram copy, all with zero extra clicking. Finally, connectors. This is what makes it a true supercomputer. Connectors are the bridge to the apps you already use. You can tell the supercomputer to pull a brief directly from your Notion workspace, generate an ad campaign, push the raw data into HubSpot, and upload the final video directly to YouTube. You can also see these quick action workflows here: build with skills, create UGC, run marketing, shoot cinema, and animate cartoon. These are preset production pipelines. Now here's where it gets interesting. I'm going to type in one single prompt: create a 10-second video ad for a premium organic cat food with the tagline "Real Ingredients." Before I hit send, notice this option here: Ask Run. You've got two modes: Auto Run, which lets the agent handle everything start to finish without stopping, or Confirm Before Running, which gives you approval gates at every stage so you can review the work, give feedback, and stay in control. I'm going with Confirm Before Running. You can see it's currently set to OpenAI GPT 5.5 Pro. You can pick any LLM model like GPT 5.5 Pro, Claude Opus 4.7, or Gemini 3.1 Pro, depending on what the task needs. It also connects to every Higgsfield model, Soul, Seedance 2.0, Cinema Studio, Marketing Studio, all from this one chat. It picks the right tool for the right job. You just describe what you want and it handles the rest. Here, you can see it's pausing to ask for my approval, so I'll go ahead and hit Continue. Notice how it did all the research by itself. I gave it one simple sentence in plain English asking for an ad video, and GPT 5.5 Pro completely took over. It analyzed current trends to figure out exactly how to structure the video so it has the best chance of going viral. Now that it has all the required information, it has automatically selected the Seedance 2 video generation model. It even set the parameters for us: a horizontal 16:9 aspect ratio at 1080p. It tells me this generation will cost 90 credits. That looks great, so I'll approve it. Now, if I had selected Auto Run earlier, it would have bypassed this approval step completely. It would have taken my single sentence and done all the heavy lifting in the background, taking me from a basic prompt straight to a final, polished ad video. Auto Run is fantastic if you want to be completely hands-off. But if you have a little extra time and want to manually guide the AI or tweak its choices along the way, setting it to ask for confirmation is definitely the best way to go. All right, generation complete. Let's look at the final output.
Real ingredients. Happy cats.
Okay, now let's look at some of the examples created with Supercomputer. Here's the prompt: create a 15-second video, 16:9. A red-haired girl rides a skateboard in a pink skate park and shows a Japanese juice drink. Strawberries and hearts fly around the drink. Let's look at the output.
Too fresh to flatline.
Too cold to build. Too sour to hold.
Zimzoos, crunchy joy in every bite.
甘いくるくるペロンペロンいちぎピンクぶどぎパープルライムリーンソーダブルーレモンイヤー甘い幸せ合わせルルポプ
The most important sip of this drink is always the most desired. Twist. You'd go crazy just to taste it.
Okay, now I'm going to run this prompt to do research and find the product. Find a trending product gap in the pet accessories niche, source the best supplier, create a brand book, build a sales site, shoot a launch video, and generate video ads for Meta and Instagram. Since my prompt is about building a full product and marketing campaign from scratch, I'll go with run marketing for this one. Supercomputer just broke down my prompt and loaded 7 skills automatically: trend picker, web designs, video generation, image generation, TV ad, motion design flow, and PDF. The supercomputer is acting like a full creative agency. Right now, it is running live TikTok research to find a profitable product gap. It is using a hidden Python terminal to calculate our exact profit margins. It is generating our logo, product photos, and 4 distinct video ads for Meta and Instagram. And it's actually writing the HTML code for our sales site. All of this is happening at the exact same time, and it is going to package the entire business into one downloadable file, because we just asked the supercomputer to build an entire business from scratch. This is a heavy-duty task. Naturally, it consumes a lot of processing power. Let's check the usage. That single run used 720 credits, mostly driven by GPT 5.5 doing the heavy text analysis. Now, for this demo video, I didn't use a massive plan, and because my plan isn't that big, I'm actually running out of credits right at the finish line. If I had more credits, I would be able to show you the incredible final results right here. But think about what this means for your actual business. Instead of spending thousands of dollars hiring marketing agencies, you just sign up for Higsfield and subscribe. You tell it what you need in plain language, and it does the heavy work for you. No technical skills needed. That is why businesses are starting to see such high ROI right now.
You want to be the early bird catching this opportunity to make a profit with your business. There is a limited exclusive offer available. So click the link below and start using the Higgsfield Supercomputer today.